Welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll talk about if config command in Linux. If config stands for interface configuration. This command is basically used to configure the kernel network interfaces. It is used at the boot time to set up the interfaces as necessary. After that, it is usually used when needed during debugging or when you need system tuning, right? Also, this command is used to assign the IP address and net mask to an interface or to enable or disable given interface, right? So this is just a concept, but until unless we do not go through the practical example, we will not have clear understanding, right? So here just I'm opening the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. Yeah, and let me tell you one thing, guys, before starting if config. If you look into the older version of Ubuntu, then this package is already pre-installed. If you will find, but as I'm using a latest Ubuntu operating system, that's Ubuntu 20.04. That's the latest operating system as when I am making this video, right? So this package is do not install, do not have I mean to say this package is not pre-installed in the latest Ubuntu, so I need to install it before try to use it. But if I type over here like if config, then here you'll see I'm getting one error saying that command if config not found, but can be installed with using this command, right? So you have to write sudo to install it, to sudo app install nettools, right? So let me so here this command is basically app install nettools. If you log in as a root user or administrator, then simply you have to write app install nettools. But here I have logged in as a general user. This dollar indicates I am not a root user. If you find instead of tilde and hash, you find tilde and dollar, instead of tilde and dollar you find hash, that means you are logged in as a root user or administrative user. So here I need a special privilege to install some software to make some configuration changes. So that's why I have prefixed with sudo. If you are using basically CentOS or Red Hat based operating system, then sudo apt you have to replace with the yum, yum. You have to write yum install and then package name nettools, right? So just I'm going to press enter, right? It is asking me to enter the password, so I'm entering the password and just press enter, and then this package is gonna install, right? So when you install this package, right, then this will basically install if config along with some other networking commands like ARP, root, as well as IP MAC address, right? So unpacking this and process, yeah, so it is almost installed, right? So here all those information are going to be printed on this console. How much memory is going to take when you install this package. So this package took 196 KB on my machine when I install this package, and everything you can see on this console. Now I'm going to clear out my terminal, and here I'm going to write like if config once again, and if I press enter, then here you can see you could get something like enp0s3, right? This is nothing but the interface name, right? This is interface name, and and lo means look back. This is also an interface, right? So here more and more I am concerned about the enp0s3, right? So this is telling me what is my IP address. So there are two types of IP address, IP4 and IP6, right? What IP address you see over here, this is IP4, right? So latest IP version is IP4, but IP6, but here it is showing the IP4 IP address. Apart from that, you could see the net mask address and broadcast address, IP address, and apart from that it is also showing the MAC address as well, right? So these all information you can see over here. And let's say if you want to see the specific basically interface information, like you want to see only information about this interface only, right? Then what you can see, you can write if config and then your interface name. If you know, then this is going to show you only information about, I don't know why this is getting failed. I think you have to write interface, sorry, interface. Let's try with this, and this is also not working. I don't know why that was supposed to work. No problem, it is telling me to install another stuff, right? So here anyway you understood. If I write if config, right? Sorry guys, spelling is wrong. Config, right? If config, and if I give the interface name, then this is only going to display the this information details, right? Now here I am going to show you some important basically commands which we use for the basically using with if config, right? So here if I use if config, and if you give the flag minus here, then this is going to basically display all the interfaces, even though that interface is not enabled, that is also going to be listed, right? Here I have only two interfaces, one is loopback and another is this is basically wireless basically connection. If I go over here over here, then here you can see wired connection. I am using wired connection, so that's a broadband wired connection which is showing over here. If you have a wireless connection, then this interface name may be something else, right? Now here few of the important things I'm going to show you, like uh, if config works with the various basically options and flags. So here I'm going to write if config, right? And with minus s flag, this is going to give you the short description rather than giving the all those details. That will give you the short description about your all the available interfaces, network interfaces. Now next I am going to show you, if you could specify over here if config v option is nothing verbose. So this will be the verbose mode, which will see you the some more information in the log, right? So that's the next option. And now let's say I would like to disable my internet connection, right? So I will write here if config, and then after you can specify if config comes with the two option. One is basically down, so that your internet connection will be basically disabled, right? Another is basically up, right? Down and up. So here you can give your interface name. So here I can give I can take this interface name, or here you can simply you can write if config and let's say down. DOWN. If I press enter, then it is showing interface name I haven't specified. So here you have to give the interface name. So interface name through which my internet connection is enabled, just I'm going to copy. I will write if config, right? And I'm going to the interface name and I will write down. So I would like to disconnect my basically I would like to connect my internet connection, right? If I press enter, then saying that operation is not permitted. So I need to prefix this command with sudo so that I can get a special privilege. And here you can see if I go over here and check the internet connection, then that should be disconnected, right? If I go, then here you can see information has been changed, right? Now again we can add basically enable my internet connection, right? So simply you have to write up, right, to enable your internet connection. So I will write sudo if config, then interface name, then up. If I go over here, then you'll get difference wired connection, right? So in that way you can enable or disable any specified internals when using ifconfig command, right? So guys, that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial. Guys, big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.